Hey, this is day 15 of 100 Days, 100 Business Ideas. Just stick with us for 2 minutes. Maybe one of these can actually change your life. You must watch this if you're in your teens or early 20s. Let's talk about coaches, life coaches, fitness coaches, business mentors. They're all creating content, but most of them suck at design. You can be their solution. Create Canva template packs that make them look instantly pro. Carousel posts, Instagram quotes, daily planners, testimonials, freebie lead magnets. Use Canva to make them once, sell them forever. Your offer, easygoing. 30 editable templates for coaches. Just plug in your logo and go. $25 per pack. Or offer custom packs for $75 plus. You can sell this on Etsy. Or DM every coach you see on Instagram. Say, hey, I made these Canva templates specifically for coaches. Want a free sample? Once they see the quality, easy sale. And you don't need to be a designer, you just need a good eye and Canva.